Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lip Monthly unboxing where you get all sorts of little lippy products. There is a card in here. This is for February 2020. So they do send it towards the end of the month. And you don't get any information about the products or what's inside, so let's just go ahead and take a look. The first item is from Model Co. It's pretty. It's a bright pink, and this is probably just a gloss. Let me see if it says anything on here besides their ingredients and company name. Not really, no. Oh, lip oil. There we go. Could always use some of that, and it looks like it's slightly tinted, so very pretty. Next item, be A Bombshell. This is lipstick, and the shade is Viva. I hate that I always tend to, I can never get the packaging open nicely. I always have to kind of rip it to get it open. So packaging. Ooh, yeah, that kind of matches a hot pink kind of thing going on. Very pretty. I love that color, but I always think pinks like that look a little weird on me because I'm so pale. Next up is Super Gloss from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. But that is a really nice color with a little shimmer and sparkle in it. I feel like anyone could wear that. I just wanted to see if it was thick or not. Nope. Not sticky either. So yeah, just a little light color on that as well. And the last item, Manicadar Lippy Love. This is Lip Scrub Step 1, it says. Apply as you would a regular lipstick to clean lips, wet or dry. Swipe back and forth to remove dry skin. Rinse lips with water and apply lip color as usual. Okay, I had to try it out. So it's completely clear, and you could feel ever so slight grittiness to it. So it's like a light exfoliation. But I like this idea because in the past, any lip scrub I have tried comes in just like a little tiny little jar, and you dip your finger and it's kind of gross, I think. You know, sticking your hand in there and it drops everywhere. So this is nice and compact. So that's really cool. I like that. So we got that and that, the lipstick, a gloss, and a lip oil. So those are the products in my February bag. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I will put all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!